Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today I'm at Target and I see some super cute accessories I wanted to share in the girls section. They have these super cute mini backpacks and regular backpacks that you could use for back to school. Then they have this mermaid one. It's like a mermaid purse, so you could use it as a beach bag or a nice summer bag. I love this little backpack that's so sparkly. And then they have some super cute bath bombs. I love this ice cream cone one. Then I found this friendship bracelet making kit. It's super cute. They have these journals and planners. They have these super cute pencil pouches and makeup cases. They have these earrings on clearance for just $4.98. So I wanted to share some of the super cute things they have at Target. I'm sure to go back. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.